Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Naresh Chetri, and I'm an assistant professor of cybersecurity at Lindenwood University. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about function. Okay, so function means the Python function, and one more thing, Python function in modules, not on the same program. That means module is a separate file. Okay, so before this, yeah, at least you have to know how to define a function in the Python and how can we call that function, and then only you can define function over the module or over the separate files. So one advantage of function is that we can separate code blocks from the main program. That means our main program will be separate and our module will be separate. So this module, we call it as a module that will be separate, and this is a separate file, but nothing, it is also a Python file, and our main program is the main file that is also the Python file. The only thing is that our module, we try to separate and define the function over here using the def. Yeah, so def is a keyword used to define the function. Our function name is make pizza, and we have the two arguments. So one is the size and another is the toppings. So but here you see the asterisk. That means our second argument accept the arbitrary number of values. That means arbitrary any number of values. We don't have to worry about the error that happens to the parameter mismatch. So arbitrary, the toppings can be more than one. So some people like only cheese, some people like the many toppings like the cheese and other vegetables, chicken. So you can pass all the values. So now we can store our function in a separate file. As I said, that separate file is called a module. So this module, okay? And now let us make a module pizza.py. So as I said, that is a py. So the file of the module we want to make over here, the file name is pizza. So that means pizza.py. And inside that we make a function make pizza. So def function using the def keyword that is over here that we have made this function. And then we can import that module in our main program. That means we can use the import keyword to import that pizza.py. Okay, so you will see the program implementation, how it works exactly. But first, let us understand the working behind the scene. So import pizza, this line tells Python to open that pizza.py file and copy all function from it. So for now, we have only one function, that is make pizza. And then we call that make pizza function with the parameters. Okay, so the parameters are, one is size and another is toppings. So we don't see the code copied between files, but Python copies that behind the scenes. And any function defined in this module pizza.py will be now available in the main program. Okay, will be available in the main program. So in this way, we separate our module from the main program. So module is separate, main program is separate. So we will see how the exact work in the program. So here you go. The program is here, exactly what we have defined over the PPT. We have an import pizza. That means it will ask or it will search for the pizza.py file. Right now we don't have that file, and then we are trying to calling the function call. So first function call we made with 2 parameters, and the second function call we made with 5 parameters. So right now, if I run the program, I get the error, and the error is module not found error, because it will search for the module pizza and it won't find it because we are using import pizza in line number 7. So what I do is I will upload the file called pizza, which is in the desktop, and open that file. Now we have a module. That means inside the module, we have just one function, and inside that function, we see we have the same two arbitrary arguments, one positional and second arbitrary, and just we try to print that using the topping variable in toppings, and then print and make that size of pizza, whatever the size is, passed over there. So let's go back and I run the program again. Now I am getting the output. The first one, we passed the pizza with pizza size 16. That's why I'm getting a 16-inch pizza with pepperoni. And the second one, we pass the 12-inch pizza with these four values for the toppings, and with the size it is the 5 parameters. So we are getting that 4 toppings as a mushroom, green pepper, extra cheese, and onions. So in this way we have stored our function in a separate module, and the separate module is nothing, it is a separate Python file. I hope it helps, and thank you for watching.